Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your document and inserting the image you want. Do that now. You'll notice a blue selection border. This tells you the image is active. Once selected, click the 3 dots or format options to access image options. This is where you'll control transparency and background. Make sure the image is high contrast versus the white background so tools can separate edges more easily. This reduces artifacts later when you remove white. Next, you'll change how the white behaves by adjusting transparency and using the mask tool. Increase transparency slightly to reveal edges, then apply mask to crop away plain white margins. You can fine-tune brightness and contrast, reduce brightness to help white become truly white, and bump contrast to define the subject. Once done, duplicate the image and experiment on the copy. This keeps an original backup while you push sliders for a cleaner cutout. To finish, open Drawing New, paste the cleaned image onto a transparent canvas, and arrange it exactly where you need it in the document. Once satisfied, download from Drawing as PNG to preserve any transparency, and reinsert if needed. If you see rough or halo edges, make sure the image contrast is higher and retry. Alternatively, use a dedicated background removal web tool, then re-import. If color fringes remain, slightly increase canvas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.